Hello and welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. This is a little update on the windowsill garden, and I'm doing it for one of my newer subscribers because she's going to help me with my garden, hopefully. So this is my pineapple plant. Sorry, it's not so easily to be seen. This has been a couple of years now, growing really well. My regrowing of my grandparents used to call it dinner onions, but so I'm growing the tops and cutting those and dehydrating them. That was my ground cherry plant, but it has died off. I'm going to redo the dirt and things like that for another round of ground cherries I'm going to try to grow. This here is just to keep it from the cold window for during the winter. And then this, hopefully we can see. I'm going to try to adjust the brightness. Anyways, this is my banana pepper plant. I have 2 buds right there on this one. This one is turned yellow. So I'm hoping to be able to salvage that one, but if not, I'll keep this one. And that one is just another pot that I had some stuff in that didn't make it. But this is where I'm at right now. I know that she said that I have to transplant this into a bigger one. So I might take the dirt from these 2 and put it, if I can find a different pot to put that in that's bigger, to replant that. That's why I'm not getting any more than a few pepper, like 1 pepper off of it at a time. However, I do have some little tiny flowers starting, if you can see those there. So I'll probably get only maybe 1 pepper off of it if I can self-pollinate one of them to grow. But definitely once I replant them and give them more area, she said it should work. So this is what I got going right now. I'm hoping to do a few more things. Like I said, get some ground cherries and put that in there. But that's what I got right now still. And until next time, stay safe, everybody. God bless you to overflowing, and may He always keep you safe. Bye.